All right, good morning, friends. This is AJ from Mobile Ed Productions. I am here with the Earth Dome today here in Faison, North Carolina. What you see behind me right now is actually 19 feet tall, 22 feet wide, and I'm going to take the students here from Hargrove on a journey around the world in about 30 minutes. Start over at North and South America, come back around over here towards Africa, which is on this side over here, and then we're also going to come in through Asia. And then we're also going to go to Australia, and then at the end we're actually going to go inside this dome. So we go inside this dome, we sit on Antarctica, and then we're able to see not only Antarctica but the North Pole, and then we do a little food tour of Europe, and then we actually get to connect all the dots to see actually how close everything is. We talk about land masses, we talk about the seas, we talk about people, we talk about animals, we talk about all these different things that make this world so interesting, great, and worth protecting. So if you guys are interested in this for your school, check us out at mobileedproductions.com. This is one of many, many programs that we run. We run physics programs, we run STEAM museums, we run Sky Dome Planetarium, Skate for Life as well.